Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making one of my favorites. We've been making this dish for over a decade, and I'm talking about the Singapore curry chicken. It is so simple, and everything you need comes in this box. Just add 2 pounds of chicken, 2 cups of water, and a few potatoes. You can grab this from Amazon. Just check the link in the description below. This recipe is incredibly delicious, and even Uncle Roger and Jamie Oliver would agree.
Yeah!
So let's go. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is to turn on the fire. Then we add the 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. In your box, we're gonna look for packet A, and we are going to open it up with a pair of scissors, like this. Oops. And pour the entire content of the curry paste into the water. Give it a quick stir. Then lower your fire to simmer. Then we are going to add our chicken. What we have here is 2 pounds of chicken, all cut up in small portion sizes. Give it a quick stir. Then I turn down the flame to simmer and make sure that the whole chicken is all covered in the curry sauce like this. Then from your box, you want to locate bag B, and this is the coconut powder. Cut it open, and what I have here is a cup of warm water to mix the coconut powder with. Give it a quick stir and make sure that the coconut powder is nicely blended into the hot water like this. You don't want any chunks. Make sure it's nice and smooth. So now that the chicken has been simmering for a few minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the chicken like this. Then we are going to pour in the coconut cream. Give it a little jiggle here and there and make sure that the coconut cream is mixed into the curry like this. Then I'm gonna kick up the heat a little bit more and bring it to a slight boil. Next, we are gonna add the potatoes in. In the final step, you want to turn your fire down to low and let the curry simmer for about 7 minutes or so. So it has been about 15 minutes. The reason why I cooked it a little longer is because the potatoes weren't getting done. So now it's nice and tender, and it's time to eat. It's time to dish and chow. Put some curry on top of the rice. Grab some potatoes. Look at this nice chunk of chicken. Put it right on the rice. Get some more curry. check this out, guys. And now it's time for a taste test. Get some chicken, some rice and curry. You know what? Curry chicken and rice is, for me, is the ultimate comfort food. It is so good. And there's only one word to describe this dish. Fuyo!
Fuyo! Fuyo! Yeah!
Alright guys, thanks for watching. And if you like this content, please click and subscribe and watch my video on how I cook French roast chicken. See you next time.